What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we take a look at Bitcoin on the daily because we are at the last point here from this huge mountain on the VPVR, looking at the volume traded from 2021 and 2022. As you can see here, holding by a thread at this $30,000 range, where it has been a super strong support here looking at the past, as you can see for Bitcoin. Now, if we break this zone, I'm going to talk about the major levels where we could get a bounce and where we are very, very likely heading to here. So there might be a great shorting opportunity. We're also zooming in here on Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart because we're going to talk about the scenarios that we were talking about yesterday, getting that bounce at 38,800, why this was a good take profit area. And now, by the looks of things, we are forming this symmetrical triangle. I'm actually longing this major support, just about to take profits here from this bounce here, as you can see on a Bybit, longing that range. And we're going to talk about this scenario, okay, where the price could go in the next coming hours and potentially a couple of days, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily today on Bitcoin crypto, also to live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor, do not buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in, guys. Let's see if we can get 1,500 likes down below, because it looks like that the likes are not reaching 2,000. So let's put it down to 1,500 likes, and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Now let's dive in here, because what I want to show you on the daily chart is that we are banging consistently, okay, at that $30,000 range right now. The last few days, this is an insane major support where we have been getting major bounces in January of 2021 and also from May till July, as you can see, getting those consistent bounces from $30,000, even dipping slightly below, but managing to just wick and continue to the upside, as you can see here on the chart. Now, it's like the fifth time that we are retesting this range right now, as you can see. So the more times you retest a support, very likely it is going to get broken. So are we going to get potentially a bounce and then retest it and break it, or are we going to break it in the next couple of days? This is the question. I think it's very likely that we are going to break it very soon. Now, your question might be, how low can we go? Well, we do have this channel target, right, where we were talking about, you know, this kind of descending channel with lower lows and lower highs, as you can see, and the width of the channel is usually a potential target. As you can see here, we did reach this target round about that $52,000 area from this channel. Now, the width of this channel is very, very similar from the breakout. You know, this is a technical textbook target, okay, where you could reach that $26,000 range, all right, and it might be in the next coming days. Of course, stay cautious with potential relief rallies that we are going to go through now on the 30-minute chart. But what I want to show you on the VPVR is where is the next strongest level, because we have a huge wall over here of money that might be distributed, okay, in the next coming weeks. And how low can we go? Where is the next big buying point, the next big major volume point, okay? And this is right over here at $24,000. As you can see, we did have a major consolidation right over here, and we do have a big spike on the VPVR. The next big major one would be around about $18,000, $19,000, where we could get also a big major bounce. Well, of course, we are potentially going to get a major consolidation, a major bounce from this level first, okay? And it's not going to be in one day, in my personal opinion. It might take a few days if we were to have that collapse down to that $24,000. So just by looking at the VPVR, this $24,000, you know, should have some kind of reaction. We do know that these spikes on VPVR do have those reactions on the price action of BTC, as you can see here on the chart. Best example right now would be that $48,000, where we did get that rejection from the top of this ascending channel. So major target would be potentially $25,000 maybe in the next coming days, if we still have this panic moment, this selling, you know, massive cascade, which is very worrying, guys. But I think it's going to be a great moment to accumulate more Bitcoin. I will be buying some Bitcoin below $30,000. That is a guarantee. Now we're going to go through the sponsored segment of this video. We're going to talk about Margix's leverage trading platform gaining in popularity and in volume by the week. It has a combined liquidity of plus 12 exchanges in one place, meaning that you do not have to worry about liquidity. They have plenty, bank grade multi-layer security, also very good security, and no personal details are required. So you can start off with an email and password in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you sign up with a link down below, you get $50 bonus to pay trading fees. And also if you deposit plus 0.004 Bitcoin, which is less than $200, you get $50 on top of that, guys. Once you sign up, this will take you to this interface here. You have 5 tabs at the top, and you have the trading one, which you have trading view chart here with the drawing tools. You have a bunch of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Solana, and here in the left is where you place your orders, limit order, market order, the percentage, and also here your leverage, buy market, sell market, super easy to use. Down below, your open position, active orders, position history, and at the right here, your order book, as you can see, to see all the rest of the orders. Now, here in wallet, you either can deposit your Bitcoin or Ethereum or any stable coin, and also you can buy it with Visa or MasterCard. And here you also have your withdrawal, so you can withdraw your funds to your wallet. Super easy, friendly. Now, in settings is where you're going to change your language or improve your security by putting Google Authenticator, for example. And you also have a referral program. And here in support, you have a live chat. They will get in contact with you in less than 24 hours if you do have any issues. Now, on video tutorials are more in detail how to use this platform, guys. Remember, down below, if you sign up with the link, you get an additional $50 if you deposit more than 0.004 Bitcoin. They do support over 100,000 trades per second, and they do not have any scam wicks. You can check any crypto here. They are totally legit. No major wicks here on the trading interface, as you can see. Let's analyze the situation for Bitcoin here on the 30-minute chart, because let's just zoom in. All right, maybe when I upload the video, we've done a little bit of more price action, but it is what it is when you look at lower time frames. Now, yesterday we were talking about this scenario where the biggest point of control, of course, now has changed. We are currently having it above us at about $31,400, which should be major resistance. And yesterday we did have it at 30,800, where we did get a bounce here. I actually did make a scalp at 30,900 and took profits here at 31,400. I was looking for that 618 from the top here to the low. And, you know, and we did touch it. We were consolidating, and I already took profits from this range. A nice range to scalp, okay, after a severe drop, where you are going to get those nice bounces from this range. And of course, now analyzing the Bitcoin price this morning, I did see, you know, these lower highs and also these higher lows, expecting a potential bounce here, not breaking just yet from this symmetrical triangle. Of course, this is why I'm in a long position, like I showed you here at the beginning of the intro of the video. You know, not losing this low just yet, just getting a little bit of volatility at this major support higher low range. And now I'm aiming for that 50% Fibonacci retracement, okay, 618, which we are probably just hit it right now, because when I was recording, we just hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is already good take profit range from this major drop. We might just have one leg up to the 618, which would be around about the $31,300. Or potentially even go slightly higher and get rejected from this lower high structure, right, as you can see on the chart. So a big symmetrical triangle. This is usually a continuation pattern if you are coming from a downtrend, and we are coming from a massive downtrend. So in between today and tomorrow, we could see that breakout from this zone. We do have the resistance and the support of high lows. The end of the apex would be in about 48 hours. Okay, and I think it's going to be in less than 1 day where we are going to find a direction here for Bitcoin. We could have an explosive breakout to the downside. And if we were taking a look at textbook technical analysis, the width of this symmetrical triangle, okay, and then we can see that the potential target, you know, might be around about $28,000 depending on when we break. And to the upside, we could actually hit $34,000 potentially if we're looking at this textbook technical analysis target. But as I said here, looking at the chart, major VPVR zone right over here. We are currently just about to hit the 618 from this drop, as you can see. big resistance at $31,400. We might just get a major volatility zone over here and then continue down, guys. Remember, we are really in a downtrend. We are forming this symmetrical triangle, so the probabilities of actually breaking down, retesting the lows and potentially breaking is very high, okay, coming from this aggressive downtrend. If we break support, we could see some pretty nice relief rally, all right, potentially even breaking 33, hitting 34 and $35,000, $35,000 and then major drop, okay? Remember, there might be a huge, massive short squeeze. Most of the people are bearish right now, so some kind of relief rally is also in the cards. And what I wanted to show you is that $35,000 range is a major monthly and daily level, okay, like I showed you in yesterday's video. So we could get heavily rejected at that range. And it is also the 50% Fibonacci retracement, all right, if we take a look at the 1 hourly chart from the start of the major drop that we did have, okay, on the 4th of May. So we did have this large consolidation, no major drop here. The start of the drop was just right over here on the 4th of May, where we did have this aggressive fall. And if we were to have that big bounce, okay, to round about that $35,000 range, you're hitting 50% Fibonacci range. And this is also a major zone of resistance with the monthly and daily, where it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to actually have that pressure to continue back up, and you might have that retracement. Now, this is only a possibility. I do not know if we are going to go up there, but if we go up there, it's a major zone of resistance, and we're probably going to look for shorting opportunities. Guys, this is going to be it for this episode, okay? Make sure to stay cautious. We might have that breakdown in the next coming hours of this symmetrical triangle. This is usually a continuation pattern. There's a high probability in breaking down, but if we break resistance, we could have some bullish momentum here in the next coming days as a relief rally after the major aggressive drop, and we might be finding some great trading opportunities. There are some great trading opportunities here inside of this symmetrical triangle, as you can see, if you know how to play your fib levels, your VPVR, and all of these ranges are extremely good to have some scalping positions, all right? Thank you, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. You have the best news and technical analysis ideas here. Totally free information down below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.